Hello and welcome to another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. So yesterday I made a great video about Easter dinner. Today I'm going to keep it simple. I'm making a spinach wrap. So for you guys who probably go to Publix and get wraps, that's awesome because that's just what I'm about to do. So I have my spinach wrap because I like the spinach one better because you need your vegetables. I'm putting my mayo. I like Hellmann's. It's gonna be simple. It's not gonna take long. Got my Hellmann's here. Awesome. I don't watch the lady make it so many times. I'm finna make my own. Because those lines are something else. You gotta stand outside and you gotta go in and have a line. Mustard. French's, of course. No, I'm sorry, not French's. Not Hunt's. Heinz. I'm tripping. Don't pay me no attention. Okay. So I got my mayo. I got my mustard. That's what I like. I'm only gonna put one slice of cheese. Kraft. I don't have any white American today. It's okay. I can live with it. And I got me some Boar's Head maple turkey. And when you make it at home, you can put as much meat as you like. As much lettuce and tomatoes and pickles or whatever it is that you like. You can put as much as you like. So I got this is my turkey. Sometimes I know why they don't put a lot. Because one time the guy, he had put so much. He was new. He ain't know no better. He put so much when he tried to wrap that thing, it bust. I couldn't do nothing but laugh. So anyway, I'm putting my meat. Try to fold it as neatly as possible because it might bust. Like the man. Keep it all the way in the center. Like so. Now, I'm going to add my lettuce. I don't need salt and pepper because I have... Oh, I know what I forgot. I got to put my pickles. So I got me some hamburger deals chips. That's what they call hamburger deal chips. Or you could do a different kind if you like. But this is the one I like on my sandwich. And I like a lot of pickles. So I'm the only one that eat these at my house, so I can stick my finger in them. It's not sanitary if other people eat it for you to stick your hand in, so don't follow my directions. If you the only one at your house that eat that, then you can. And never offer your guests anything that you already contaminated with your own love juices from your adorable hands. And now I'm gonna put some lettuce. I think I put too much, but that's okay. Because I eat it later. No, I'm not. So I got my lettuce. I got my turkey. No salt and pepper today. Just my turkey, my cheese, and my lettuce. And now we're going to wrap this. Yeah, I put too much. Because they don't even want to close. You see that? That's my fault. That's okay. But y'all can see me, right? Cool. So let's get the wrapping. Fold in, tuck, and roll. You might lose a little bit, but that's okay. Pick it up later. And roll. And roll, and roll, and roll. Bam. Just like that. And then cut it. Always cut it. I like to cut it this way. I don't like when they cut it even. Because I feel like I get more wrap on one side than the other. Okay. So that's how it looks. It's a lot of lettuce. That's how it looks without the tomato. And I'm going to just sit it right there on my plate, which I already got prepared. This is my spinach wrap. I even got my chips ready. I got my little chips ready. Put some chips on there. I got my strawberries. So I'm going to put me a little bit of chips right there. If you wrap it tight, nice and nice, wrap it tight, nice and neat. Closing our shuts. I want them to stay fresh. And you don't have to worry about it falling apart. And this has been another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. Spinach wrapped with turkey, pickles, lettuce, tomatoes, mayo, mustard, and American yellow cheese. Have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ciao.